Right, we have Radek here, Radoslav from Timbery Europe, and we have a little bit. He will tell us a little bit about the new M120. What are the differences? What's new compared to M100, which is better now?
M120 was introduced to the market some time ago, and I would like to tell you a few words about the new features and changes we made in comparison to the model M100, which was available in the past. First of all, we have changed the design of the mast. The previous model has only two masts. Now you can see the construction is more solid. There are two such legs on each side, which make the cutting more stable during the work. Another very important thing is the belt wheels. Wheels are adjustable in all directions. This direction and this direction, using these bolts. It's important to set the right position of the blade during cutting. The next important thing are the blade guides. The previous model was equipped with ceramic blocks. Now we have blade guide rollers, which make the cutting more smooth and more accurate. Another thing I would like to talk about is the tension system. We modify the tension system of the blade, and now we can have the better tension.
More precise.
Yes, exactly. Next new thing is up-down system. Up-down system is right now with this crank and the chain.
So will this be a standard thing in the end?
It will be a standard, and we can be sure that the level of cutting during moving the head will be still the same. So it's no way to drop the head during cutting.
Very well. Thank you very much, Radek.
You're welcome.